How to cancel your Walmart order before it ships. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you on that. So if you would like to cancel your Walmart order, first of all head over to walmart.com or the application, and once you are there you may look out for the menu option. So it is usually located in the top left corner. You can tap on it, and when you tap on it you need to be signed in or your account should be created. So right below the menu, you will be like right below the sign in or your account option, you will be finding different options available in the menu. You may just go and look out for your purchase history, tap on it, and there you'll be finding your orders. And then once you find your order, you may just go ahead and find the specific order that you would like to cancel. So head over to the order, and once you find it up, you can scroll to the button and then select request cancellation if that option is available. Because usually we find it if the product is not shipped yet, but if your product has already been shipped, we do not find that option. So if you find that option, you can just go and tap on request cancellation, and you might not have options to edit or cancel your order, because if it is on its way, as I said, your orders from your marketplace seller, we are unable to cancel. They are not unable to cancel the marketplace order. So if you like to cancel your order, you can just go on with the normal process and find out if there is any request cancellation option. You can just go and look out for that option and request cancellation, and that way you can cancel your order. So you may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.